What's the vibes, y'all? Keep It Funky Beer and Dank reviews coming back at you. What's the vibes on this Monday night? This rainy Monday night. How's everybody doing tonight? What's the fucking vibes? What's everybody blazing on? What's everybody sipping on? What's good? What's in everybody's glass tonight? Tonight, we have burnt knob porter. This is chocolate porter. 6.1 ABV. Doesn't give a lot of information on what it is, like what it tastes like. A robust porter loaded with roasted coffee and chocolate with its dark brown body, light caramel brown head. Perfect beer for dark beer lovers all year long. Goddamn right. Mountain King is located in Catskills, New York. New brewery on the channel too, so hell yeah. Out of the Hudson Valley Teku. One of my favorite glasses. It's a good looking porter. It's got a nice toffee looking head. Creamy frothy head, about 3 fingers ahead. Mohead official. It's like dark jet black. Let's get a nose. Oh, you get like a little dark roasted coffee, dark chocolate, a touch of vanilla, caramel, toffee, caramelized sugar. Very roasty. Cheers, y'all. That's pretty good. Can have some more coffee, but other than that, I'm liking it. Get some molasses, brown sugar, dark cherries, like dark raspberries. What is this? Chocolate notes. I get the chocolate and roasted coffee. Very creamy, velvety smooth. Hershey's chocolate. Like the chocolate bar. That's what I'm getting. Milk Duds Milky Way milk chocolate. Cheers, y'all. Get at me in the comments. Has anybody had burnt knob robust porter from Mountain King Brewing in Catskill, New York? Let's talk about it. It's my first time having them. Not too shabby. Blow up the comments. As always, if anybody else wants to see some other different beer reviews, DM Instagram, Discord, link trees in the bio. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. As always, Keep it funky. Keep it dark. Keep it dank. Super dank. Keep it real. Keep it interesting. Till the next time. Cheers, y'all.